Here's a quick demonstration on how to access PubMed through the university library's databases. So from any USA website, you can get to the Marx Library by clicking on Libraries in the black menu bar in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Libraries, and you'll be presented with all of the libraries. Links. If you click on Marx, you'll have the main access page. Scroll down under Library Resources in this little gray box on the left-hand side. Click on Databases and eReference. This is an alphabetical list of all the library's databases, and if you click on the P, we can get right to PubMed, which will authenticate you to any I'm off campus, so I have to sign in, and you will also. But if you go through the library, you need to go through the library's web page to authenticate to access subscription articles through PubMed and through the NIH. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you need more assistance. Thank you.